Don't file it now.
That's
You have to file it there.
I have them because the lordships have directed. I don't want to be violation. So I have copies.
No, let it remain with you.
To be the all media people who are also present over here, that on their own to circulate that let the identity of the victim and his family be not.
Prayer. My petition is different, my lord, and this court must intervene now. There is an interim prayer there, and there
has been formed, my lord, to inquire into the irregularities, financial irregularities they are seeing of Arjikon Medical College and Hospital.
Supreme Court has passed 2 orders, and I think the second order, it covers all the issues which are now before us.
To my understanding, the Honorable Supreme Court did not at all interfere with the proceedings before this court. But in effect, I must be very frank to your lordship, in effect, it appears that the Supreme Court also wants to report about the vandalism and the death.
In the second order, have you got that?
Yes. So may I just make a humble appeal? Let the matter be adjourned till 28th or 9th. Let us see what happens on 27th.
That will be better.
My lord, in our matter, my lord, the learned advocate who is a petitioner herein, Sumitra Niyogi Bhattacharya, on that day was present when the alleged incident occurred after the death. My lord, on 15th August, my lord, we filed a supplementary application. My lord, we have lodged an FIR about the said complaint about the said incident, and we have annexed this.
No, you please hold on. See, judicial discipline requires us to abate, because almost all issues, including one of the doctors had filed for them to call off the strike, etc. That also the Honorable Supreme Court has taken note of.
Court observed that the wisdom of the division bench of High Court is quite obvious. Now, therefore, to maintain the judicial amity is my duty to the Lordship. Let it be adjourned till 29. Let us see what happens on 27th. We shall come back.
And in the meantime, we will serve, my lord.
Our reports are there, we shall file for the next hearing.
Don't file it now.
That's
you have to file it there.
I have them because the lordships have directed. I don't want to be violation. So I have copies.
No, let it remain with you.
I'll copy
You please see. We made a request, etc., not to upload, to take off press media. We requested, etc. But if you see the decision, order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, there is a positive direction.
Yes, positive.
Positive direction.
Probably the unfortunate victim lady have her beloved old friends having their old photographs that they are circulating. It requires not proper,
No, that's correct.
Proper awareness on the legal level.
That is correct, sir.
The specific community has the names that has been given in there as the handlers. That belongs to a specific community. Now, they may or may not be real person. That poses a great threat to the social integrity of the state itself. If not investigated, if the perpetrators couldn't be found out a lot, and these things will keep on circulating, anything can happen. That can trigger any kind of.
That is true, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I speaks about it.
Now, this court's order is very clear.
In our order dated 16th of August, para 18, as the law, para 17, it is submitted by one of the learned advocates appearing for the public interest litigant that the photographs of the victim are being widely circulated in social media. We have said, as the law prohibits the disclosure of the identity of such victim, we request the persons who are known to the victim not to circulate the photographs of the victim as well as the name and other identity and details of the victim. Equally, we would request the members of the print and press, media, etc., also to ensure that the identity of the victim or photographs of the victim are not published in any of the reports which may be published.
Very similar to all media people who are also present over here. That on their own to circulate that let the identity of the victim and his family be not disclosed. I think that will give them a lesson.
That they will do.
That they can do. I
They
think they
will
will do.
One person
The persons who are doing probably are not aware what is the impact of it.
See, the people,
one person is
And it's a criminal.
काश मैं भी उन 7-8 लोगों में होता. Just one of the names. The only one that I can read out aloud. And the most concerning part is the use of the names. They may or may not be real person.
we have heard the learned advocates for.
My lord, 1 minute. My lord, my prayer, my petition is different, my lord, and this court must intervene now. There is an interim prayer there, and there is a Supreme Court order. Kindly
What
see
is-
page
what-
15 of my Supreme Court order.
You please.
What is happening? 11, item 11. Item 11, and
Not today, sir, not today. You please come back on the next day, we'll do.
on page
Even if the
15.
petition, sir, even if the petition is not there, we will hear, it.
Can I?
we will hear. it. We have done so on the earlier matters as well, just to avoid multiplicity. You can intervene, we will definitely hear. it.
My lord, page
Now, my lord,
15, my lord.
In
Page
fact,
15, there's a Supreme Court order.
Doctors will resume duty at the earliest. Any concerns which they may have in regard to their safety may be placed in the form of an email jointly by the doctors to the Registrar Judicial of this court for further direction. This court means the Honorable
I
Supreme
have
Court.
seen that. But my lord, it is happening today, it will happen tomorrow, and patients are dying. All I'm saying is what Supreme Court said, state must announce that to the doctor, and maybe they will refrain. My lord, kindly paragraph 4 only.
Maybe what's
To put negligence, if strike his name, Supreme Court said that. And if the state can say that to the doctors, I think they will stop strike and it will save life.
We- we have
That's all my interim.
We have expressed so in our earlier order. Honorable Supreme Court has also
Yeah.
expressed so. You please wait. We will hear you on the next day.
My lord, in respect of item number 9, my lord, what I beg to place before your lordship, my lord, there has been a subsequent development, my lord. It must be brought to the notice of your lordship, my lord. Our special investigation team has been formed, my lord, to inquire into the irregularities, financial irregularities they are seeing of Arjikon Medical College and Hospital. It was reflected in your lordship's order that they have given them a price posting, and your lordship had taken due note of that, my lord, in your lordship's order. And my lord, what I beg to place before your lordship, my lord, that subsequently, my lord, this is in special investigation team by the West Bengal government officials. That is absolutely an eyewash, my lord, and that will be diluted, my lord. So kindly, this is a subsequent event. I am filing an application to that effect, my lord. Kindly let it be taken up on any day, 2 days, within 1-2 days, my lord.
You, whatever application in the pending matter, if you want, you file it. On the next date, we will
My
consider.
lord, kindly let it be tagged on that day, my lord.
You file the application, madam, first. We
As
have
your
got the
lordship
learned
directs, my
advocates for the parties.
Lordship, I draw attention on one issue, my lord. My item number is 10, my lord.
Ah.
My only submission in this aspect, my lord, if I, as far as vandalism is concerned, if I take that say for 30-40 minutes, and after 30-40 minutes, my submission only on that point, my lord, say whether in the first 30-40 minutes, whether the police remained actively passive,
that is
actively silent, for under certain unforeseeable instructions, that issues be taken into consideration. My lord, this motive,
We have
why
got
the
learned
police
advocates
using
for the
so many
parties.
powerful force remain silent. That's it, be made within the purview of the investigation, my lord.
access to the patient.
That allowed the free access of vandalism. That should be taken into consideration, my lord. Who is the force behind?
4th September.
No, no, no.
List on 4th September. 4th September.
4th September.